NDTC has cut iron ore prices by 5.5 to 6.4%. Mika joins in with more details on this.
NMDC, it's cut its iron ore prices by 5.5 to 6.4%. The iron ore lump prices have been cut to 6,000 rupee per ton versus 6,350 rupee per ton, while the fine prices have been cut to 5,060 rupee per ton versus 5,410 rupee per ton. Now, these prices will be effective from today, Jan 9, 2025, and the price cuts do come after the company hiked prices in October of 2024. When you look at how NMDC has changed its prices recently, well, Jan 2025 obviously seen a price cut. October 2024 saw 400 rupee per ton price hike. September 2024 saw no change, while August and July both saw price cuts. Now, potential reasons for the price cuts: one is the lower iron ore prices. Iron ore future prices are down 9% in the past 1 month itself, and future prices are down 10% since October 2024. And since the company has not taken any price cuts since then, it could be mirroring the lower prices. Second is the lower volume growth. On December 2024, sales volumes were lower 6.6% year on year at 3.91 million tons. April to December 2024 volumes have also been flat, and according to Informist sources, NMDC's FY25 sales volumes could be seen at 45 to 46 million tons, which is lower than their 50 million ton target for FY25. So it could be missing its target by 8 to 10%. So the price cuts could be kind of NMDC's efforts to increase and influx more volumes to meet its targets.
Well, there's more to add to the metal space. Thanks, Mika, first of all, for staying with us. Can you also talk about Hindalco? The stock could be under pressure on weak cues from Novelis. Talk about these developments as well.
We had a Novelis, which is Hindalco's international subsidiary. It posted a preliminary financial results report for Q3 FY25, which indicated that their Q3 FY25 EBITDA could be down 21% quarter on quarter, and Q3 shipments could also be in the range of 900 to 910 kiloton, which is lower than what we saw in Q2 at 945 kiloton. So this could indicate a Q3 EBITDA per ton declining to $403 per ton versus $489 per ton as per MK, and this could also miss the guidance that was given by the company earlier at 525. However, it is to be noted that Novelis did withdraw this EBITDA guidance of Q2 earnings because of higher costs of scraps. Lastly, when you talk about why this could have an impact on Hindalco, well, in FY24, Novelis accounted for 61% of Hindalco's revenues and 56% of Hindalco's FY24 EBITDA, so it does have a significant impact on how Hindalco does overall. As per MK does expect Novelis' pain to persist for the next 2-3 quarters at least, and they believe that the demand slowdown that we saw in Q2 of FY25 is finally catching up with the company, and it does not expect meaningful recovery in Q4 either. However, CLSA has somewhat a little bit of a different view. They believe that the stress in Novelis is well flagged and it's reflected in the stock prices of both Hindalco as well as Novelis, but they do expect Novelis' profitability to improve with better volumes as well as fixed cost recovery. And they have said that Hindalco's India business still remains strong and is benefiting from resilient aluminium prices. Lastly, to watch out for is the volume and margin recovery outlook.
Okay, so that's the view for both Hindalco, how that could be in focus, along with something like NMDC on the iron ore prices that we are seeing. Mahesh, your view on both of these counters, what do you make of these developments happening in the metal space?
Definitely, what we have seen is Hindalco is already priced in the way already beaten down from a higher level. So it seems already priced in, but some more downside can't be denied in Hindalco also and NDC also, because slowdown in the all the sectors. Then all these sectors are facing some slowdown. So I think if any even horizon from 1 year to 12 to 18 months, then Hindalco could be added in these level and from in any dip also. And from NMDC view, it can be 58 to 60 range could be a good buy range for the NMDC also. In Hindalco, I think a price is already discounted in the Hindalco.